welcome back to Playtime with Melissa. Today we're going to be opening a lot of slimes. I hope you enjoy about this video, okay? So so please give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and like, and hit the notification every single time we post a new video. So yeah, we're going to be opening all of these slimes, and I'm so happy, and yeah. So let's get started. Move on. So we're gonna opening this one, and let's see. Go. So we're gonna be cutting on the side here. So satisfying to me. So the box says that there's a prize inside. So let's see. Well, the paper. We're gonna put that in the trash later. Ooh, it's yellow. The slime is yellow. It's so yellow. So it's like a little... Okay, guys. So we're going to be opening. So, yeah. Let me just cut where, like, the corner because I'm scared it's messy or something. So, ooh, here's a vegetable. So we're going to have to squeeze all this slime in here. Ooh, there's a big bubble first. Whoa, it's like sand, guys. It's like sand. Whoa, that fell. We're gonna pick that up now. Okay, so I feel the surprise when I'm squeezing it out. So I hope I don't see it because like it's a surprise. I cannot see it. Okay, I didn't even see it because it passed by, and it feels like something. It's like, oh my gosh. Why is this blind bag? You know what? We need a bigger hole. Okay. This is a bigger hole. Whoa. Bigger hole just made a hole of trash. Oh, you know, it's everywhere. We're gonna have to squeeze. Whoa, guys. Whoa. Okay. So, okay, guys. It has glitter inside to me. I think there's not glitter because I just think there's a shine in that. So yeah, it's a good view outside. There's a lot of air. You know, normal day. Okay. Cool. Okay, I think that's enough of the slime. So I do not want to take all of it because it's just, you know. Whoa, guys, it's so yellow. Wait, I'm going to take some piece out. So look at that, guys. It's so fluffy. And whoa, it's stretched good. So we're going to see what the surprise is. It's in a blind bag. Oh, oh my gosh. Is this rare or what? Let me just... Whoa! It's a little, okay, wait. Okay, guys, can you, okay, wait. Okay, guys, this is a pacifier, and it looks like a disco on the top, and I think this is rare or something, because, like, and my sister, she had one of these, and hers is just like a diamond of a heart. Just gonna put that in there, nobody wants to see it, it's gonna hide. Okay, so we're going to cover that. It's right here, waiting for it to see who else is in here. It's so difficult because everything is so good. So I'm going to be opening this one. It's like a galaxy and it has glitter. So yeah. So I think, there we go. We opened it. The air is taking out the paper. Okay. I don't need my scissors for this one. Guys, look at that. When you open it, it's a galaxy. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, it's like galaxy. I didn't take everything out because I don't want it to get on. If you hear stuff in the background, it's just a 4-wheeler, so I'm sorry about that. And it's just my brother riding them and stuff like that. So this is like a galaxy color. So glittery. And it's so shiny. So we're gonna, I hope, whoa. It sounded like a fart noise. Okay. Okay, that's crazy. Oh, okay. Okay, that was weird. There's some yellow in there, but that's okay. Okay, there we go. We're gonna put it on top of the thing. So now we're gonna be opening. I think we need our scissors for this one, and I'm gonna pick this one. So yeah. Well, of course I need my scissors. Okay. Well, look at the word. Okay, so weird. Okay, now I don't need my scissors. Look at this, that is so satisfying. Okay. Okay. So it's kind of, guys. So I think I need some help. Wait, I got it. I don't need help anymore. Whoa! Oh! And a little case. So cute. Oh. Okay, guys, this is. Oh, it opened. Ooh, look at that. It's so clear. Let's take off the top out of there. I need help. Those. I'm sorry about that. Noises. A lot of noises. Ow. Okay. Ow! I need help. Oh, that was crazy. Now we're going to be opening this line, okay? So, yeah. Oh! It just flew away like, bye-bye. That is so good. Guys, it's not harder. So, we skipped some footage because there was noises. We already opened it, so. I want to show you when I open it because, like, it says my love slimes. Like, they're like my fam. Like, I love them. Because I like it how they're satisfying and everything. There's a lot of YouTubers that have a lot of slimes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Oh, it looks like I already ate it. Okay. I need a bigger hole. Ooh, this is gonna have to be on here today. Oh. Don't fly away. Whoa, guys, look at that. It's so sorry for the noise about that 4-wheeler. My brother's still riding. He's trying to distract and everything. So, yeah. Whoa, look at that. It's like so clean. At first when I saw the yellow package, I thought it was going to be green. But I think it like, turned green when it's in the dark. So, yeah. This is how it looks. It's so cool. I'm gonna put it back in the case. You can buy these free sometimes. Oh yeah. I'm like burning myself here. So yeah. Okay. So I think I want to be over there, so I'm gonna not turn or just stay here. Because I do not want to change. Because it just takes a long. So we're gonna be opening. I'm gonna do that last because it's so cool. I'm gonna opening the kinetic sand toy. Oh. Sorry about the noise. There's just a lot of noise outside. That hurt my hand. Oh my gosh. How do you open this thing? Okay, we get it open and we change spots too. It's so pink. I love pink and green and purple. So, wow, it's like sand. This slime is amazing. It's like a kinetic sand, but like a sand kinetic sand. This is like slime, but it's sand. Maybe it's like a slime sand. Okay, I love this. So we're going to put it back in here. You can play with it later of this. So I love it. This is so pinky. You can see it right there. So stretchy. So the time that I've been waiting for. I got some water. Maybe. I thought I cut it over here. Actually, there we go. I got one side. I can. Oh, I'm down. There's tape. Okay, some tape all around. Tape, 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 tape. Tape on the other side. Ah, sticky. My tape is so sticky. Okay. So now we're going to be opening them. Being more in the shade. Okay. Sorry about the noise. Oh, the noise outside. Okay, guys, we're gonna pick that up. Okay, guys, we picked everything up. So yeah, it was a big explosion, like a volcano of slime. Ooh, we got the pink water bottle. I'm gonna put that one up here. I don't want it to. Orange bottle. That's a lot of noise of the paper. Okay, we got the purple. And I'm scared to open this one because it's going to be an explosion again. Please don't be an explosion. Oh, it's so easy. The one. Oh my god. Okay. It's like it's eating. That was funny. Okay, don't let them fall. The pink one fell. At first I thought it was exploding. I was like, no. It didn't fall. I was gonna throw it. Okay. forgot. Put this in order. And then we're gonna... So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors with someone. Because we're both gonna pick one color that we really want. And then whoever wins, they have to get it. Okay? So yeah. And yeah. We're gonna have to be doing that. I don't know why, but I just my idea. So, ow! Ow! Okay, pick a color. Okay, pick a color. You want pink? I want purple. Okay. Okay, come on. I think, okay, we're gonna have to choose pink, and next we can do purple. Let me drink the water. Slime on. Okay guys, look at that, it's so clear. So clear and glittery. It's not really pink when you stretch it, but then when you put it together, it's all like pinky. So let's put that one back in. So we're not gonna open the purple. So those are cute to me. So I'm gonna give it a pure some like a 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. We're gonna be testing the glow in the dark one in the end for you. So we're gonna take this one out. We're gonna take all of the things out. These. So we'll let them fly away. And the slime. But we're not gonna take the beads out because they're gonna, if we open them, they're gonna fly away and they're gonna get messy. So sorry, but we can do that in the next video or something. So we're gonna clear. So it's clear. So we're gonna open it. Burning myself again. Okay, I don't care if I'm burning myself, so I don't care. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. We're opening this thing out to put the slime in there. So I'm going to show you when I'm done doing it. Okay guys, we got it in here. Okay, it's, scared. So, it's like a unicorn. So we just open it up and see if it works. No! It's a total fail. It's a total fail. No. My unicorn. Okay guys, we're gonna go test out the glow in the dark glue. Oh, this was a total fail. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, go do all that good stuff, and see you back on Melissa Monday.